This is my 1952 Dodge Power Wagon. First drive after 15 month restoration or preservation or whatever you want to call it. But the vehicle probably hasn't driven for at least 30, 40 years maybe. It was a basket case when I got it. And I just wasn't sure how it would drive, but it's really amazing. It's a little bit slow on the road, but off-road and on the dirt it's absolutely amazing. It's got more sure-footedness than any modern four-wheel drive, and the gearing's perfect for off-road. It's a little bit slow on the road, but the engine hasn't been running yet. It's the original 230 and needed 6 new liners. So it was absolutely seized and rusted through. But it goes alright. Once it's run in, it might hoof along a bit. Never had a tub on it, so it's a homemade tub, but it's made in the spirit of the original, and it's come up pretty good. Put radial tyres on it because the bar treads, the original rims had a bit of run out, and even at 40-50 mile an hour it probably would have been a bit dodgy. The engine's probably got to do 1,000 miles before it loosens up a bit, but it starts up pretty good. See how we go. Put into second gear to take off. I should say the grass isn't normally this high. We've just had an unbelievable amount of rain. Even though the track looks pretty dry, it's really wet, and we've got a lot more rain to come apparently. So I've crashed gearbox, there's no synchro, so I've just got to get used to that. So that's in third gear. High range. It's not too bouncy, not too many rattles, just a lot of noise from the gearbox. I've got a bit of work to do on the brakes, so I have to adjust them up and give them a bit of a bleed, but there you have it. Not bad for first drive.